What a great little set this is from BlueSpot. They've thought of everything. There are sockets with screwdriver bits attached. Simply drop into the ratchet, put a little weight on the handle, and you've got a ratchet screwdriver. Fantastic idea. A little set of Allen keys or hex keys, whatever you want to call them. Brilliant idea. A flexible drive. Very, very handy, obviously, for putting bolts in round corners. Drill driver adapters, handles, T-pieces, extensions, pivot rods. I don't know how they've got all of that into there, and I'm sure when it goes in my tool bag it's all going to fall out, because that's what happens in my tool bag. But this really is a set that I'm so glad they've sent me to try. They're not having it back. I love it. It's great value from BlueSpot.